Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix muted music videos on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Sometimes your music videos or your videos gets deleted or muted into Facebook. This is because of the copyright issues into the Facebook. If you believe that you have original content which should not be copyrighted by the other peoples, you can dispute the copyright claim. In order to do that, just simply open your browser into your device, and after opening the browser, just simply search for copyright appeal from. Just simply open this link at first, and after that it will lead you to this tab. Now in here you just simply have to tick into this I understand and wish to continue, and after that enter your full name and surname into the first box, and after that enter the email address into second box. And now after that just simply tick this box. In this box you just simply have to put a link that leads to where content is. And after that you just simply have to explain why your content should not be copyrighted or removed into this box. And after doing all that, you can also add an attachment into this choose file section, and at last just simply tick this box and enter your electronic signature, and after that click to send button. Then whenever Facebook Help Center will review your request, and after that you might get your content back if it should not be copyrighted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.